Hello, Shawal. How are you?
Hi Dila, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. I want to tell you something.
What is it?
I'd like to invite you to my birthday.
That's great. When will it be?
It will be on Wednesday, December 248, 4 p.m. at my house.
Where is your house?
At my house at the Mangay Badao number 43.
What activities will there be?
There will be food, games, and music.
Hmm, Sound fun. May I bring my sister?
Yes, of course.
Alright. I'll definitely come. Thank you, Dila.
Thank you, Shawal.
Okay.